Welcome to ABCD 123. Subscribe. Hi kids, today we're going to explore a beautiful country in northern Europe. It's called Norway. Get ready to see amazing nature, animals, food, and fun facts about Norway. Norway is in northern Europe, next to Sweden and above Germany. It has lots of mountains, forests, and long coastlines with something special called fjords, huge water valleys between cliffs. The capital of Norway is Oslo. It's full of museums and green parks. Another cool place is Bergen, a city near the sea with colorful houses. And guess what? In Norway, you can even see the northern lights, magical lights in the sky at night. Norway has amazing animals like polar bears, moose, reindeer, and whales. Reindeer live in the cold and love snow. In Norwegian, reindeer is called rein. In Norway, people eat a lot of fish like salmon. They also love waffles with jam and brown cheese called brunost. Kids love hot dogs and bread, just like you might. Norway has lots of snow and ice in the winter. It's like a snow wonderland. Kids in Norway love to go sledding, ice skating, and skiing. They build snowmen, have snowball fights. You did an amazing job learning about Norway. Now you know about fjords, reindeer, Vikings, and snowy fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more cool videos from around the world.